Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Best Sellers Market. It's fantastic to have you here today. And we're thrilled to present an exciting countdown of the best-selling towing and trailer lighting products on Amazon. I'm your host, and today we're diving into a world of top-rated, customer-approved products that will light up your towing and trailer experience. These are the essentials that thousands of buyers have chosen, tested, and loved. Without further ado, let's get started with our countdown. Stay tuned as we reveal the must-have items that are leading the market and hear why they've earned their top spots. Let's go! Coming in at number 5 in our countdown of the best-selling towing and trailer lighting on Amazon is the LINKITOM new Submersible LED Trailer Light Kit. Prepare to be dazzled by its exceptional features and unparalleled performance. Picture this. You're driving your camper truck or RV with the confidence that comes from having the most reliable, super bright brake, stop, turn, and tail lights guiding your way. The LINKITOM Trailer Light Kit isn't just any ordinary lighting solution. It's a beacon of safety and innovation. Let's delve into what makes this kit stand out. The unique halo glow and solid light pattern design of the LED taillights is unlike anything else on the market. It's not just a light, it's a statement. The kit includes 2 stop-turn LED taillights, 2 amber clearance lights, and wiring harnesses of 22 feet and 4 feet, ensuring you have everything you need. Plus, it comes with a license plate bracket and 4 complimentary reflective stickers, adding extra layers of visibility and safety. But what about water? No problem. This kit is IP68 waterproof and fully submersible. Imagine lights so tightly sealed that not even a drop of water can get through. The lampshade is completely welded together with no screws to worry about. The circuit board is meticulously sealed, and a drain hole is thoughtfully designed to expel any trapped water. This ensures that your lights stay functional and bright, no matter how wet it gets. Compliance and durability are where this kit truly excels. Crafted with corrosion-resistant ABS material, the LINKITOM Light Kit meets DOT-approved standards, guaranteeing you a product that's built to last and perform at the highest levels. The 25-foot wiring harness is made with superior materials, surpassing traditional copper-coated aluminum wires. It's a Y-style color-coded harness that's ready to withstand the harshest weather conditions, promising long-term operability. Versatility is another key feature of this remarkable product. It's perfect for a wide range of vehicles, including trucks, trailers, boats, buses, lorries, vans, caravans, and snowmobiles. If your vehicle is up to 80 inches in width, this kit is your go-to solution. Just ensure the wires are connected correctly and avoid any electronic shorts before submerging the lights. In conclusion, the LINKITOM new Submersible LED Trailer Light Kit isn't just about lighting up the road, it's about providing safety, durability, and peace of mind. When you choose LINKITOM, you're choosing a product that's built to withstand the elements and perform flawlessly, trip after trip. So, light up your journey with confidence and enjoy the brilliance of innovation. Let's dive into number 4 on our list of the best-selling towing and trailer lighting on Amazon, the CZC Auto 12 VLED Submersible Trailer Lights. This isn't just a lighting kit, it's a revolution in visibility and durability for your under 80-inch towing vehicles. Picture yourself cruising with unparalleled confidence, thanks to these multifunctional LED trailer lights. Whether you're towing a boat, trailer, truck, or snowmobile, these lights cover all your bases. They offer 6 critical functions: stop, turn, tail, rear reflector, and side marker light. And as a bonus, the left trailer light includes a license plate light. This all-in-one solution ensures you're seen and safe on the road. Unlike traditional incandescent bulbs, these lights are all LED. This means you get super high visibility and a much longer lifespan. Every single diode is meticulously inspected before shipping, including a rigorous photometric inspection. You can trust that these lights comply with DOT standards, verified by a US lab, ensuring top-notch quality and reliability. Now, let's talk about the incredible waterproof and submersible capabilities of these lights. The sonic welding hole sealing technology ensures the entire unit is sealed solidly. No gaps, no leaks. Every potential entry point for water, from the wire's entrance holes to the edge of the lens, is sealed with precision. And with 18-gauge pure copper wires, these lights perform flawlessly underwater, providing peace of mind in any weather condition. Installation is a breeze with CZC Auto. You have two mounting options, on the back or the side of the trailer. The wiring diagram included makes the setup straightforward. Just connect the wiring correctly and avoid any electronic shorts before going underwater. It's that simple. CZC Auto isn't just another name in the trailer lights industry. It's a brand synonymous with reliability and quality. They stand by their product with a 30-day money-back guarantee for any reason and a 12-month warranty for quality-related issues. That's confidence you can count on. In summary, the CZC Auto 12V LED submersible trailer lights are your ultimate solution for superior lighting and safety. Say goodbye to the old incandescent bulbs and embrace the future of towing and trailer lighting. Light up your journey with CZC Auto and drive with assurance, day or night. Securing the number 3 spot on our countdown of the best-selling towing and trailer lighting on Amazon is the MaxxHaul 80778 Magnetic Towing Light Kit. This isn't just a lighting solution. It's an innovation designed to make your towing experiences safer, easier, and more reliable. Imagine the versatility and convenience of having a towing light kit that's perfect for your RV, boat, trailer, and more. The MaxxHaul 80778 features dual-sided lights, one side boasting a 412 diameter red brake light, and the other side flashing amber. This duality ensures you're visible and safe from all angles, enhancing your towing security in every situation. The heavy-duty magnetic base with an 11-pound pull keeps these lights firmly in place. No matter the terrain, no matter the journey, you can trust these lights to stay put. Whether you're driving on a smooth highway or a bumpy back road, the MaxxHaul lights are your steadfast companion. Now let's talk about the 20-foot color-coded wiring harness. This isn't just any wiring harness. It's designed for simplicity and efficiency. With a standard 4-flat wire vehicle trailer connector, hooking up your lights becomes a hassle-free experience. Spend less time wrestling with connections and more time enjoying the road ahead. This light kit is ideal for all towing applications under 80 inches wide. Whether you're towing a small boat for a weekend getaway, an RV for a cross-country adventure, or a trailer for your work projects, the MaxxHaul 80778 is your go-to solution. It adapts to your needs, providing reliable lighting that complies with DOT standards. In conclusion, the MaxxHaul 80778 Magnetic Towing Light Kit isn't just about functionality. It's about peace of mind. It's about knowing that every trip, every tow is backed by lights designed to perform, endure, and exceed expectations. With MaxxHaul, you're not just lighting the way, you're leading it. Are you enjoying the countdown of the best-selling towing and trailer lighting on Amazon? Well, don't leave us in the dark. Hit that like button, subscribe, and press the bell icon so you never miss a bright idea. Taking the number 2 spot in our top 5 countdown of the best-selling towing and trailer lighting on Amazon is the MaxxHaul 70205 Trailer Light Kit. Get ready to transform your towing experience with this all-in-one lighting solution that promises durability, visibility, and ease of use. Imagine setting out on your next adventure with a trailer lighting kit that's got everything you need. The MaxxHaul 70205 includes two 12V LED stop, tail, and turn signal lights, 2 amber clearance lights, a sturdy license plate bracket, and a comprehensive wiring harness. This kit is designed for universal compatibility, fitting a wide range of trailers, boats, trucks, RVs, campers, and snowmobiles. Installation is a breeze with the 22-foot split Y-style color-coded wiring harness. No more fumbling with confusing wires. This harness simplifies the process, letting you get your lights up and running quickly so you can hit the road without delay. Convenience and efficiency rolled into one. But it's not just about ease of installation. The long-lasting LED lights are the heart of this kit. LEDs offer superior visibility and an extended lifespan compared to traditional incandescent lights. You'll benefit from bright, reliable performance every time you tow, enhancing safety on the road and ensuring other drivers can see you clearly. Safety and compliance are paramount, and the MaxxHaul 70205 meets FMVSS 108 regulations and standards. These lights are engineered to adhere to stringent safety requirements, providing you with peace of mind knowing you're road legal and secure. Durability extends beyond the lights themselves. The included UV-coated wiring harness is built to withstand the elements, ensuring long-term reliability and protection against wear and tear. Whether you're facing scorching sun or harsh weather, this harness is designed to last. For those who crave more details, explore our A+ pages. There, you'll find comprehensive information to help you make an informed decision. Ensuring the MaxxHaul 70205 is the perfect fit for your towing needs. In conclusion, the MaxxHaul 70205 trailer light kit isn't just a product. It's a complete solution for your towing safety and convenience. Illuminate your journey with confidence, knowing you have a dependable, high-quality lighting system guiding your way. With MaxxHaul, every trip is a bright success. And now, the moment you've all been waiting for. The #1 best-selling towing and trailer lighting product on Amazon. Introducing the Partsam 12V Submersible Square LED Trailer Light. This product is the epitome of reliability, visibility, and durability, making it the top choice for all your towing needs. Imagine having a lighting solution that's not only versatile but also robust. The Partsam Trailer Light is universally compatible with trucks, trailers under 80 inches, tractors, semi-trailers, dump trucks, buses, boats, and special vehicles. It's the ultimate lighting kit that adapts to a multitude of applications, providing unmatched performance across the board. Let's delve into the specifics. On the curbside, the passenger side, this light features a combination of 15 diodes, 12 red and 3 red LEDs. This setup serves 6 crucial functions: stop light, turn signal light, tail light, rear reflex reflector, side marker light, and side reflex reflector. It's a multifunctional marvel that ensures you're visible from every angle, enhancing your safety on the road. On the street side, the driver's side, the light boasts an impressive 19 diodes, 12 red, 3 red, and 4 white LEDs. This configuration adds an additional function, a license plate illuminator, making it a 7-function powerhouse. With stop light, turn signal light, tail light, rear reflex reflector, side marker light, side reflex reflector, and license plate illumination, you have comprehensive lighting coverage for every need. Adding or upgrading the lights on your boat, snowmobile, camper, or utility trailer has never been easier. High-visibility safety lights are a breeze to install, with wiring details included in the description part. These lights are completely sealed and waterproof, with acrylic lenses engineered to block out water, ensuring the circuits remain protected. Whether you're facing rain, snow, or sleet, these lights are built to endure, providing super bright LED illumination for maximum visibility and safety. The package includes 1 pair of lights, 2 gaskets, and 4 screws. Everything you need for a quick and seamless installation. These heavy-duty trailer lights are designed for long-term use, fully operable in inclement weather, and tough enough to handle the demands of your towing adventures. In conclusion, the Partsam 12V Submersible Square LED Trailer Light stands unrivaled in the world of towing and trailer lighting. It's a beacon of safety, reliability, and ease of use. Illuminate your path with the best in the business and tow with confidence, knowing you have the #1 lighting solution on the market guiding your way. With Partsam, you're not just lighting the road ahead. You're leading the way with brilliance and assurance. We hope you enjoyed the countdown of the best-selling towing and trailer lighting on Amazon. To stay updated with all the top sellers, make sure to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. Don't forget to check the pinned comment for links to all the products we discussed today. Until next time, thank you and see you soon.